Let me show you how it took me 14 hours to make this hat in 90 seconds. The first thing I did was cut out my pattern, and then I had to punch all of my holes individually and then cut out all of these pieces. I actually had to cut them out twice because it didn't quite cut all the way through, but here is one of the pieces. So then after that, I had to individually dye all of them. So I use a saddle tan. I'm obsessed with this color right now, and I had to do 2 coats. I ended up doing a 3rd coat to make it less streaky, and I absolutely loved it. So I ended up having to slick the edges, which I forgot to film, and then I started sewing this together. This is what took the longest. I actually messed this up and had to start this piece over, but here we are. So I was doing basically a crisscross stitch for this piece. It's kind of like a standout, and then I had to attach that to the top of the hat. This is just the last bit of that, and voila, here's that part. I think it looks pretty cool. And then I had to attach the metal wire ring on the entire hat. This took forever to sew, but I'm so glad to do it because the hat would have been floppy without the wire support in there. And then here comes the final step. I had to attach the top part of the hat to the brim, and I think it turned out really cool. Oh, well, there was one other thing. I made a little accent piece with a bunch of rivets, and I of course had to test that on myself, and I personally love this hat. But wait, there is the little accent piece on it. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.